ChatGPT is a conversational artificial intelligence tool developed by OpenAI. It uses a large language model trained on vast amounts of text data to generate human-like responses to user prompts or questions. The primary function of ChatGPT is to simulate natural conversation, offering information, explanations, and creative content based on the input it receives. Unlike traditional search engines, ChatGPT does not fetch answers from the web, but constructs them using its internal knowledge and language patterns. The tool can be used for a variety of purposes, such as answering questions, brainstorming ideas, tutoring, writing assistance, code generation, and even engaging in casual chats. Its responses are generated in real time, adapting to the user's phrasing and intent. ChatGPT is designed to be accessible through web interfaces, APIs, and applications, making it versatile for both individual users and developers. Behind the scenes, ChatGPT relies on a transformer-based neural network architecture, which excels at understanding context and generating coherent text. OpenAI updates the model periodically to improve its accuracy and to expand its capabilities. Users are encouraged to remember that, while ChatGPT can provide helpful and convincing outputs, it may sometimes produce incorrect or nonsensical responses. It is not sentient or capable of understanding in the human sense. Its strength lies in pattern recognition and language generation. Ultimately, ChatGPT is a powerful digital assistant, streamlining information exchange and creative processes through natural dialogue.